Once you shop, you cannot stop. It's here in Macy.
The oldest escalator.
Do you want to take a photo of that? Oh, barbecue. Nice. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
I for
Indie.
Indie.
Hey guys, we are going to go to Ichiran Ramen today. We're here at Journal Square. We're going to go all the way to 33rd Street. About 4 minutes and we should be there. Anyway, see you guys at 33rd Street. Bye.
With a combo. When you're ready for your dessert, just bring the plate up here. Any questions, push that bell. Water is self-serve over there.
So we're going to eat this matcha pudding. As you can see, there's a lot of toppings here. Right? Turtle! Guys, we are here. We're going to shop. Ching ching. You know? All around. Idea, not mine, okay? Not a big shopper. We're going to shop for some pants. You want some pants? We're going to shop for whatever catches your guy's eye. Once you shop, you cannot stop. That's what they say. So we're going to be shopping for a lot of stuff. Did you know that they say that these are the oldest escalators built? It's here in Macy. Here, take a look. So old-fashioned, that's fun. And there's another one. go buy this. We tried it out in the fitting room. It actually fits. I'm not joking. And it's nice. Anyway, we're going to a dinner place, which opens at 5:30. It's probably almost 5:30 now. So we're going to go to that place pretty soon. Might see more, but might see more of us shopping, but I don't think we're going to because it's already open now.
That's super rare.
Oh, barbecue, nice.
This is the scallion pancake, the kimchi chicken, the Gopchang, the intestine, with a tripe and assorted intestine.
Make sure you cool it down first, okay?
I know, let it cool. Alright, it's scallion pancake. And it tastes good.
Thank you.
Right now they just finished cooking the what is it?
Thank you.
They just finished cooking the gopchang.
You want rice with your...
This is the kimchi chicken. It looks a little orange in the vlog, but it's not. It's actually really red. So guys, that is the end of our Ichiran. I'm going to the Korean barbecue, Gopchang. I think that's what it's called. From our food trip and walking around a bit, going on a shopping spree and